Good afternoon, RV Nation. Camper Chris here at Bullion RV, beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, August 12th, 2026. Behind me, newly arrived, is our very first 2027 Thor Quantum LC28 Class C Motorhome. We're gonna show around the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. So it's our very first LC28 model. These beautiful blacked out rims. Front fiberglass cap, got that automotive style window in the front there to let in some light. 7.3 liter V8 Godzilla Ford motor. I don't know if you can tell here in the video, but you have kind of the high gloss exterior on here. Frameless windows, no more caulking to squeeze out from around the sides. Storage down here. Easy to clean if you get it wet. Go around and come back. Oh, don't forget about the little tether here to hook up the pets or tie up the kids. Speaking of kids, you can throw them right in here if you want, or unwanted guests. Tons of storage. This is a little table that'll come out. Use it underneath the awning if you'd like. Is there a spare tire in here? Nope, don't come with spare tires. There's a spot to put one, or better yet, fill that full of ice. There's a nice built-in cooler. Back up a little bit. You do have an LP quick connect right here. If you want to bring your favorite Blackstone or Coleman grill, throw it in there. Just bring it with. Use the propane that's on board versus bringing extra. Cook out underneath the awning. Outside spray port, cold water there. More storage there. Once again, you'll never, ever complain about too much storage. Full walk-on roof. Backup camera. That's your receiver hitch for your 7-prong plug. That's an 8,000-pound hitch. Pull a nice boat, ATV, trailer, vehicle. Any of those things. There's another cubby hole right here. Or built-in cooler. His and hers, hers and his. Shoot down the side here. You notice the slide awning up there. Keep the debris off the top. You're going to have your city water connection, black tank flush, and here's where you fill your fresh water. Propane tank, nothing exciting there. Your cable hookup right there. Obviously there's where your 30 amp service is. I'm sorry, 50 amp, correction, not 30 amp, 50 amp service. Your valves right there, gray and black. Slide down just a little bit. You have your 4,000 watt Onan gas generator. Tankless on-demand water heater, which means longer showers. There are side cameras incorporated on either side right there, as well as your backup camera. Oh, someone's calling. Let's call them back. Let's go take a walk inside and see what we see in there. So, aux battery or batteries will be right underneath this step here. Battery disconnect. You're going to have your awning switches, your cargo light switches. And of course, no carpet. And they make it a color to where if you don't clean, nobody's probably going to know. Here's your slide out right here. Got your dinette that makes to a bed. The drawers underneath. Ducted AC. Oh, 100 watt solar panel on the roof. Can't forget about that. You have your theater seating. Oh, poof. Right across from the TV. Put your legs up, relax. And this is a must, especially for my wife. That's just the divider. Your side, my side. Place to hide your chocolate. Here's the cab here. With a leatherette seats. That big screen there, touch screen. There's a shade for that window up there in case you want a little bit more privacy or darkness. And you do have another one right there. Actually, a little shade to close that off. Nice big sink. Just pull out drawers, full length there. This rolls over. You can put stuff on there as well. Oven range microwave. You do have the stove cover that turns into a backsplash. Don't forget about the power tower. There it is right there. Cell phone charging area as well. Big 12-volt fridge. walk around queen bed suite with hers and hers closets. You do have a nightstand there, and I believe another one tucked around the corner there. Nice overhead storage, nice and deep too. That is so deep. You might almost put suitcases in there. TV antenna is wired to right there in case you want to add a bedroom TV, and you do have an accordion door to block off this area right here. Oh, not a bad view from right there. Even if you're laying in bed. I think you can lay in bed. Oh, let's see here. Oh yeah, lay in bed. Hey honey, well yeah, I can see those sights too. Wonderful. Not a bad deal there. Just want to lay down and just watch from back there. Look at how bright. And they had this really neat blue accent color. Very different, but very cool, very nice, very stylish. This is here, available right now. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Like I said, this is here. It's available as of right now, okay? I've been here 25 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business, and we do take trades, okay? So, right over there, past that tree line, is an international airport. You can fly in. We'll have this in our shop over there. Full pre-delivery inspection done. LP filled, gas tank filled, complete orientation will be given to you in that building when you come. We are 71 years family owned, no hidden fees, no games at all. Feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.